Hey folks, temperatures warming up, especially across the upper valley this afternoon, and the air drying out a bit. We'll look at that in a moment. 96 right now, Rio Grande City. Edinburgh, McAllen at 91. Everybody else in the 80s, 87 in Raymondville, 84 in Brownsville, 86 in Port Isabel. Dry air has built into parts of the valley. These are the dew points. If you remember the Muggy meter, 40s and 50s are near the bottom. Very dry, comfortable air. But if you look at the lower valley, dew point's still 72 in Brownsville. So a dry line has pushed in, but hasn't made it quite all the way to the coast. Well, over the next few hours, that dry line builds back to the west and humidity starts to build back in, but then a front comes through tomorrow morning, giving everybody lower humidity by tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow evening. Dew points will drop nicely across the area, so tomorrow evening should be quite nice with mostly sunny skies, low dew points, so low humidity. And as we move forward from that, then we'll start the warming process, bring the humidity back in. High temperatures tomorrow, not quite as warm as today, 78 at the beach, but everybody else in the 80s. But we don't see 90s tomorrow. Slightly cooler temperatures over the area. The average for this time of year is 83. We'll still be above that at 86, and then 91 Friday and back to 93 on Saturday. Records shouldn't be threatened, but we certainly will warm up. A few light showers earlier today, especially right along the coast. The island saw a little bit of rain early. Other places in coastal Cameron County, even a little bit of Willacy County, seeing isolated showers, but eventually the sun took over most of the valley. There's that dry line, basically a front that moves back and then turns around again. In the morning, there could be an isolated shower. Some of the models suggesting there could be a brief thunderstorm form right near the coast and then move on out when the front goes by. And then after that, the lower humidity air will build in. That dry air will build in and make for a delightful afternoon. Into tomorrow night and Friday, still looks pretty good. A little bit breezy. Wind already back out of the southeast. You know what that means. Wind off the Gulf brings the humidity back in, eventually brings patchy clouds back in, and brings warmer, more humid air. A spotty morning shower thunderstorm, best chance for that tomorrow right at the coast, about 10%. Then we're dry all the way into the weekend. Boy, take a look at Texas. 47 in Amarillo, 61 in Abilene. You move east of that, 84 in Austin, 83 in San Antonio. Here's one front, second one back there. Ultimately, it all pushes through, bringing that drier air into the region. Doesn't last all that long, though, with the breezy southeasterly wind Friday. Humidity starts to climb. By Saturday, we see more clouds around the region. And by Sunday, the next front moves into the region, could again trigger an isolated shower or thunderstorm. And then we see dry weather for most of next week. So tonight, partly cloudy, breezy. Again, the clouds come in later on, but lows a little bit cooler. Temperatures in the 60s in most areas. Then tomorrow, a lot of sunshine, very warm again, a high of about 86 degrees, the winds north-northwest. So less humid tomorrow, breezy on Friday and again on Saturday. Sunday, an isolated shower or a thunderstorm. You head into next week, we're looking at sunny skies at least Monday and Tuesday, probably Wednesday as well. And with sunshine, highs in the 90s, lows in the 60s. So still very warm weather in the days ahead. We don't see a big-time cool down nor a big-time chance of rain at all anytime soon. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast.